Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to create folders on your home screen on iPhone devices. Okay, so all you need to do, just click a random app that you would like to create a folder with and push it to a second tab and it creates a folder. If you want to name a folder, all you need to do, just click on the top. And if you want to delete something, you can rename it right now. And if you want to delete the folder, all you need to do, just drag one app out of the folder and then the second out of it, so it actually deletes. And that's basically it for the video guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Leave a like and subscribe and see you guys in the next one.